shotgun, and I'm gonna use it for the first time. Okay, so we're here at the rifle center right there. Hours 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then Wednesday 2 p.m. to 10 between May and October. So here we're still, that's Las Vegas downtown. Maybe a pop.
Ikaw muna kaya?
Ano ako muna? Mamarel? Oo, natural. Di testingin mo rin. Magbayad ka na. Tanong mo na. Hi! Before you're allowed to go to the shooting range, you're required to take a quick safety class. Hey everyone, I hope you're enjoying my video, but I'm actually a nurse practitioner by profession and I own a mobile IV nutrient and hydration therapy business. So, if you're here in Vegas and need IV therapy for hangovers, sports competition, immunity, and many more, book with my company, Vera IV Health and Wellness, at phone number 725-312-9003 or look me up at my Instagram, veraiv.lv. I will put our phone number and Instagram link below. So, set up an appointment and I will go to your location and provide you the IV therapy that you need so you can enjoy your stay here in Vegas. Now, let's go back to the video. Thank you. This is the entrance to the stand field.
Ceasefire, ceasefire. Please remove your players.
If you like more Las Vegas videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.